welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 conversational structures that you can use to give advice and recommendations in Romanian. By the way, I've already made a video with phrases that you can use to ask for advice and recommendations, so if you haven't watched that already, maybe you want to take a look at it first. So, let's start. Sfatul meu este să... Sugestia mea este să... De ce nu încerci să... Ai putea încerca să... Poate că e o idee bună să... O idee ar fi să... Dacă aș fi în locul tău, aș... Dacă aș fi în situația asta, aș... Te sfătuiesc să... Îți recomand să... Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you learned something new. If you have any suggestions for future lessons, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Be happy!